Yo, what is up guys? I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a TV antenna out of a paperclip. Super simple and easy, and this 100% works. Let's get right into it. So guys, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to bend your paperclip into about an L shape. So kind of just bend it right out of its original form. It should come out very easily. And make sure it's in the proper L shape. There we go. And once it's in the L shape, the next thing you're going to do is go to your TV and put it in. So guys, the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find a slot that looks kind of like this. So you're going to go ahead and put your paperclip in. And there you go. Paperclip is in to the back of the TV. And now let's follow the rest of the steps. So next up, guys, you're going to want to go to the menu part on your remote, and then you're going to want to go down here to broadcasting, and you're going to want to switch antenna to air instead of off cable, and then you're going to go to auto program and press start. This will search for channels for you guys. You can't watch it unless you have previously searched for channels before, so you need to do this. You'll press start, you'll press air, and then you'll wait for this to be done. Now, I will come back when this is done, you guys. See you then. So guys, I only got 8 channels, but that is okay because now I'm going to show you how you guys can extend how many channels you get using this simple trick. So guys, now I'm going to be showing you how to extend how many channels you do get with this simple trick. So, first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the paperclip that you bent earlier, and you're going to want to add another paperclip to it, like this. You push this part in and let it go right through, and that adds more range to it. So I'm going to come back when I have this thing filled out. Alright guys, so I am back with the ultimate TV antenna, and usually when you use it like this instead of just as the regular paperclip, your reception will go up a lot more. You'll probably get more channels, and it'll probably just work out a lot better for you on your TV. So now I'm going to go ahead and put this one into the back of the TV and see how many channels this one gets. So guys, I put in the new TV antenna and followed all the same steps that I did on the other one, and I will come back when this one is ready. So guys, you can see that I got 9 channels on it this time, which is only a, not a very big upgrade, but it's still an upgrade, and depending on where you live, it can be an even bigger upgrade for you. And then after you get off this screen, it's pretty simple. You just go through, flicking through channels on your remote. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If this worked out for you, leave a like down below so that the people who come to this channel and watch this video do know that this does in fact work. And if you have any trouble, leave a comment down below. I will get back to you and try to help you out as much as I can. And also, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, please. It helps me out so much. And all you have to do is press that red button. It makes my day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.